What's going on, guys? So got a bunch of knickknacks to do. I want to basically eat up this whole area here. I've got this softwood here that I'm splitting small for a starter for my wood stove. There's some birch cutoffs and some birch logs that I got to split. Mulberry, a couple pieces of sugar maple, actually 3. Some more birch cutoffs and a couple rounds to split, 3 rounds. And then I got the softwood left over too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm gonna make that all nice and small like those. And then the Norway maple, this one, and this one is all gonna split for the crate at the front of the yard, which is way up there. And this is gonna be drying for summertime. It's been here for probably 8-9 months. So once I split it open, it's going to dry real quick, another couple months, and then it'll go. I also have this black walnut here, and I'm going to throw this in this pile over here. I'm starting a pile for customers that's going to buy some green wood and sit on it, and he's a pyromaniac, and I sold him maybe 3 or 4 batches of wood. One was about a face cord, and the other ones were just stuff that I picked out and at the end of my stash. Those birch cutoffs that I split is going to go over here, and this is going to go for my wood stove over at the shop. So I'm just building up a pile to take over there. Anything else over here? No, that's it. Not sure what to do with this birch. I've had so much birch splitting, I've spread it out, so I don't need to touch that one. But yeah, this one too, I guess I know a couple crates need a little bit of red oak, so I'll split that one too. I've had so much birch that this is all 18-inch, and there's some more 18-inch over there. So I'm going to add to this, but I have nowhere to put this right now because I don't have any 18-inch crates started. And I do have 18-inch over here. I can add maybe a few pieces here. Yeah, I guess this one I'll put a few, and this one I'll put a few, but there's already some in here. Eventually these barrels are going to start going soon, and I can start putting some of that 18-inch here. But this stuff is going to be dry for this season coming up because there's a lot of moisture gone from this wood already. And there's some Norway maple here, just a few pieces. That should dry up for this season as well. So this should be in this year's stash. This is this year's stash, and I'm going to create next year's stash basically in the back corner here. I also do want to cut, I guess, one of these rounds in the smoker wood, and that'll be this one here because this one's the shortest. That's about 14-15 inch. I don't really like to do under 16. I do some 12 because I have to, and I end up with some 14-inch that I do. But I got tons of 14-inch to my right in this stack over here, so I don't really need to put too much oak in that stash. So yeah, I'll just cut this into smoker wood because I am kind of running low. I just started this batch here, and then I'm going to add this round on top. I have lots of bags done for the smoker wood customer, but I'm gonna have more stuff drying because eventually in another month and a half or so I'll run out. Throttle, choke, pull. cleanup. Everything done except this gray birch, which I still have to do a little trimming on. It's a little too long because there's a lot of it that's going on the angle. It's a bit too long, so I'll just shave like an inch, maybe an inch and a half off. Let's see, what time is it? Oh, it's after 7, so I can't do any cutting now. It's too late to run the machines. And this red oak escaped me. And you know what? I really should have got some of that done, but oh well, you know what? I'll probably be back tomorrow. It's nice and warm, guys. So yeah, like I said, I'll cut this one up for smoker wood. And I believe I have to trim a little bit off this one, but this one for sure. That one's pretty close to 16. I got this cherry, which I don't have to cut up yet until I sell what's in that crate over in Smoker City. But sales should start picking up a bit. Get rid of a bag or two here or there. And then the sugar maple, I'm going to start cutting some of this up for smoker wood. I'm going to do some of this tonight. I did all the red oak yesterday, and I got to start doing this to empty this out. And I think what I'm going to do is, because I have you can see the boiler bin is filled, right? I usually start from the front to fill it and then fill all the way to the back, so you can see it's full now. And I don't have any customers for it, so I'm gonna have a lot of cutoffs building up, and that's why I started that pile over there. I do have to do some restocking at the shop, even though I don't need to, because I still have a lot of wood for next season to burn. But it's gonna build up. So what I'm gonna do is, after I empty this out, then I'm gonna put a crate here, and I should level the ground too, because it's really unlevel here. And yeah, I'm gonna put a crate with cutoffs here, because sometimes it's good when I have cutoffs for when I run out of the firewood, and then people buy the cutoffs because they just want wood, right? Some people aren't picky and they'll just take it. So I'll just take a quick JPF union break, and then I'll get the lights going in here, and I'll go in the back corner and I'll start splitting up that sugar maple. I'll see how much I can get done. I could do it all tonight, but it's a little bit of a feat. We'll see. Okay guys, I missed one. I got the rest of these to split. I'll split that with the splitter because there's some really bad knots in there. I'm not going to waste my time trying to hack those up. Yeah, I finished the whole crate, as you can see. So I'm going to start shuffling things around here. I'm not sure if I'll use this crate or a different crate. This one, is it sturdy underneath? I'm not sure. It might be. This one looks intact. Actually, you know what? It's these bars. That's the problem. So I can actually put this crate on the bottom. Yeah, I guess I'm going to use this one. Some of the crates that I have for my extra stock that I'm putting outside of the regular stacking area, they're a little bit beat up and stuff, and some of them, the bottoms are bad, so you can't really stack any crates on them. And this one, there's nothing really wrong with this one. It's just the ribs. The welds are busted on them. So this I could still stack. There's another one over there that's actually better. And it's just that the mid brace in the center underneath has been turned 90 degrees, so you can't get a forks under it. And not that I need it to, but that's one of the ones I was trying to sell. But anyways, I can put that one here, and then I can put this one on top when I put the cutoffs in these ones over here. So yeah, I'll get some filler to put in there, and I might actually get some crushed asphalt for free. So we'll see how that goes, but I've been piling sawdust down here to try and level it out. Yeah, the wood pile's shrinking, so I'll get this red oak cut next time. I'll get those small ones split of the sugar maple, and I'm going to start cutting some of this sugar maple so that I could fill this crate up again. I didn't think I was going to finish this whole crate, but I did. When I did the first set, I noticed that it was cleaning up pretty quickly. I mean, the sugar maple does that. Happy that I got that done. Bunch of killing to put in the bag. I guess the bag over there, I'll finish the bag, and then that's it. So thanks for watching, guys. Like, subscribe, share, comment, and all that good stuff.